Are you looking for elegance in the Decatur area? Look no further than this split ranch-style home featuring 3 bedrooms with the possibility of a 4th. Entering the home, you'll be awed by the combination of modern living and functionality. The foyer leads you to the living area and showcases a fireplace, making it the perfect place for entertainment. A combined dining and kitchen area set up to impress with granite countertops and a walk-in pantry. Enjoy your meals inside or outside on the covered patio with a perfect view of the pond. And just off of the kitchen is your own private retreat, the master bedroom, separated from the other bedrooms, ensuring peace and quiet even when guests are over. The large master bath impresses with a walk-in shower, primary soaking tub, and a large walk-in closet. The other side of the home houses 2 additional bedrooms and an office that could serve as the 4th bedroom. Ready to see how this home fits your style? Call Jerry Hurst today.